ViewSonic. Hi, this is Andrea from ViewSonic, and I'm here today introducing the new VX70 series of frameless LED displays. These are among the sleekest, most stylish displays available on the market today. With an ultra-thin design and premium materials, these models will improve the styling of any room. Engineered with ViewSonic's super clear IPS panel technology, the VX70 series of displays deliver superior color accuracy, contrast ratio, and image quality. You can easily share the action with friends and family and can watch comfortably from any position, thanks to the extra-wide 178-degree viewing angle. Action-packed entertainment comes across sharp and blur-free, and your favorite photos, movies, and games will look better than ever in full HD resolution. You can count on stunning digital clarity through the HDMI input, and you also get DVI and VGA to support the widest range of connectivity. Integrated speakers with SRS premium sound help round out a complete multimedia package. These ENERGY STAR certified models are also eco-friendly with energy-saving LED backlights and eco mode to conserve even more power. Aside from the premium features and brilliant picture, what I really love about the VX70 series is the sleek frameless bezel design, virtually dissolving the boundary between reality and the digital world. And the extra glossy finish will make this a stylish addition to your home or office. So for the most amazing multimedia entertainment, get your ViewSonic VX70 series frameless display today. ViewSonic.